This last trick on the DVD is my favorite one of all. It has everything. It's useful, it's funny, it impresses your friends. In this trick, your puppy fetches some litter and drops it in the wastebasket. This trick will build on your puppy's fetch skill. Now in this trick, your puppy is going to learn to pick up some litter items from around the room and deposit them in the wastebasket. With JD, she already knows how to fetch, so I'm going to ask her to fetch one of the items. When she comes back with her fetch, I'm going to hold a treat right near the back of the wastebasket. When JD opens her mouth to get the treat, the litter item should fall right in. So first I'm going to start by scattering a couple litter items and see if she'll fetch them for me. Okay, fetch. Good. When she opened her mouth to get the treat, the litter item fell right in. And again, whoops. At first, I'll usually reward a puppy even if the item didn't go exactly in the wastebasket, but if he does happen to get it in, jackpot. Give him a whole handful of treats. Very good. Let's try another one. Tidy up. Whoops. Try it again. Very good. And again, go tidy up. Good. Very nicely done. Good job, JD. Fetch. Good. Maggie, here. Here. Maggie. And Maggie, here. Good. Dogs and even young puppies have really good logic skills and can understand the concept of putting an object inside another object. Once they get the hang of it, I think they find it kind of fun. As your puppy gets the hang of this, you're going to up the ante and start to step back from the wastebasket and just point to it instead of actually holding the treat near there. You want to give that a try? Okay, let's scatter the litter again. Good, and can you get some more? Good, and two more. Very nice, and another one. Very good, JD. That was great. What a big help you are. Let's recap this trick.